Hello, everybody. Welcome to the new Let's Play. We're starting on Ethan GV. It is the fourth installment of the Ratchet series, Ratchet Deadlocked. And crap, I am on the wrong account. Alright, so we are starting a new series on Ethan GV. It is Ratchet Deadlocked. Hopefully it'll be fast, because I determined it'll be fast. Like, it'll go by fast. Oh no, I'm already on Let's Play. Okay, so let's restart Ratchet Deluxe, because we're freaking, I'm an idiot. I'm cold right now. It's the morning, it's late. Early, I mean. I'm tired. Even though I went to bed at I fell asleep at 8. Woke up at 4:30. What is that? Like about 8 hours of sleep. Yeah, and I'm still tired. Still cute though. I'm just kidding. Alright, we're gonna start single player. I just clicked load. We're gonna start a new game. I guess this is normal difficulty, consistent. I know this is like easy difficulty. I guess we'll just do it on contestant. I don't know which one's normal. One week ago, somewhere in the shadow sector. Look at that Lancer.
Gotcha. A dramatic conclusion to one of the most exciting episodes of Dread Zone I have ever seen. Captain Starshield, the #1 ranked gladiator, has been terminated by Ace Highlight. Ace has now eliminated a record 13 contestants in the regular season.
11 hours ago, aboard the Starship Phoenix. Good old Phoenix. There it is.
Incoming call from the mayor of Metropolis. The new mayor of Metropolis.
Oh, you mean, right. Just a sec. Greetings, Mayor. No. Well, long time no see. So Metropolis still in one piece, huh?
Greetings, Captain. I see you're taking good care of my old ship.
Well, she needs a lot of tuning up, but I've kept her running.
Of course. Anyway, I'm afraid I bring bad news. As you know, Captain Starshield disappeared over a month ago. I've just been informed that he's been killed.
Oh my gosh. No.
Oh, what happened?
Apparently, he was involved with some kind of illegal combat sport, something called Dread Zone. We believe it was being run by this man, Gleeman Vox. He operates an underground media empire from within the Shadow Sector.
The Shadow Sector?
It's a lawless region of space on the fringe of the galaxy. Many other heroes have disappeared recently, and we fear that they might have met with the same fate. Ratchet, I just wanted to warn you before.
Unidentified craft approaching. Uh-oh.
You the Lombax known as Ratchet.
I don't suppose you guys are here to fix the starboard engine, huh?
Alright, so we just got captured and we are in our new space ship. It's looking beautiful, isn't it? It hasn't looked better. 6 hours ago at Dread Zone headquarters.
Yeah. We've captured Subject 209, Mr. Vox.
Excellent. Bring him in.
Yes, sir. We caught 2 strays in the process. Should we terminate them?
Give him collars and see if you can get some work out of them first.
Present time in an uncertain location.
Hello? Hello in there? Can you hear me? You've been unconscious for hours. You're probably a little disoriented. How many fingers am I holding up? Whoops. Looks like we've got a feedback loop in the visual matrix processor. Hold still a second. How's that? Okay, now to activate your speech function.
Me out of this thing, you blarg-headed frat monkey! I can barely breathe and my tail feels like it's shoved right up my ass!
There seems to be a problem with the speech circuitry. I'll take a look at it later. Now hold still. Let's just see if I wire that teleportation. The new armor you're wearing is standard issue for new contestants.
Contestants?
We will explain later. If you do not complete the qualification course in the allotted time, we will all be terminated. We must calibrate your battlesuit's targeting matrix. First, look over at the holo target on your
That
left.
took about 6
Turn
minutes.
to face the holo target on the right, then fire. Good. Now shoot the holo target above you.
All right, Ratchet. Your movement circuit should be in working order now. Try getting to the top of that ledge.
Alright, so this game is actually a lock strafe game unless you have the wrench out, but
I am transmitting a digital minimap representation of the area. Can you see it? The minimap will show you the positions of nearby enemies. I am reading 3 more holo targets in your vicinity. Good, Ratchet. There should be a teleporter nearby that will take you to the next stage of the qualification course.
alright, here we go. We're gonna teleport. Huh. So, I've been so excited for this game. It's super fun. I think it's super fun. A lot of people don't like it. Oh.
Greetings, hero, and welcome to Dread Zone. Rest assured, you are now far beyond the reach of hope. There will be no rescues, no pardons, no possibility of escape. You are now a contestant on the greatest television program the galaxy has ever known. A celebrity gladiator battling for the pleasure of 1 billion screaming fans across the Shadow Sector and beyond. Chances are you'll be dead by tomorrow. But those of you who play the game with skill and strategy will earn a chance to win your freedom. So, good luck, hero. We'll be watching you.
The fuck was wrong with this face? The
Ratchet,
fudge.
I have figured out a way to get information to you without
The
Vox knowing.
fudge.
Pay attention to secret messages at the bottom of your screen.
The fudge was wrong with his face.
At the top of your screen is the experience bar. As you destroy enemies, you gain experience. When the bar is full, you will gain a level, and your nanotech will increase.
Oh, that's how you do it. Okay. We're not gonna use. We're gonna try to upgrade these all the way because this is probably one of the best guns in the game. These dual Vikings.
To use your quick select, press and hold L2 while using the right analog stick.
Oh, these guys take so much health away. It's not even funny. All stupid excavator dudes or whatever. Uh-oh.
Note the deadlock collar securely fastened around your neck. This collar cannot be broken or removed. Should you stray into any restricted area, the collar will administer an extremely painful shock. Observe.
I hate this job.
Should a contestant become uncooperative or worse, boring, his or her collar can be detonated at any time with the push of a button. Well, there you have it. Nothing to lose your head over. Right?
Congratulations, Ratchet. You made it through the qualification course. Check your map. There should be a teleporter
What the
nearby.
fudge is wrong with this
Use the
guy?
teleporter to meet me back at our Dread Zone
The
containment area.
fudge? Okay. Ew. Oh my gosh.
Wow, this place is crazy. I've always wondered what it'd be like to be a professional gladiator. I mean, these guys have the life, the fame, the money, the babes.
Try not to forget that we are being held prisoner by a criminal organization. This is no time for fantasizing. Ratchet, you should go find Al. I have marked his location on your map.
Hey, this is a weapons vendor. Okay, here's the next weapon, the B6 Obliterator. It is a
I
grenade
think he
launcher.
has something to show you.
It's a grenade launcher. Might as well keep the volume up because I already know it's a cutscene. Everything on the first part of everything is a cutscene. Oh god.
Hey, Ratchet. I have something to show you. Meet your new battle bots.
Call me Merc. This here's Green.
Hi, sir. I got them off a former contestant who, won't be needing them anymore.
Don't worry, boss. You won't end up like that last guy. I hope not. I still have nightmares about it. Oh, suck it up, Green.
Once you win a few battles, we can afford to upgrade them. Just come and see me whenever you want to juice them up.
Okay. That's Merc and Green. Now we gotta go visit Clank in his freaking
You ever been in country?
two-story house.
Seen combat?
Me?
Welcome to the Quasar 0115 Gladiator ranking station.
Hey, you ought to go say hi to Clank. He's set up on the other side of the containment area.
Hey, nice digs.
Digs?
I mean, what's all the hardware for?
Ah, they call this the mission control room. Each contestant is assigned a mission engineer to monitor their progress.
Right. So, what's-his-face figured he'd save a few bolts and make you do it.
Ahem.
All right, fresh meat. Enough chit-chat. You're next up in the Battle Dome after Mobius Man. And from the way he's fighting, it won't be much longer. Now move it.
Ratchet, I will assist you any way I can.
Thanks, Clank. These guys obviously don't know who they're messing with.
He has huge eyes in this game. I just realized that they're freaking huge. Alright, we're gonna get in our...
Attention, hero. Report to the Battle Dome transport shuttle.
Shut up. I'm going. This is the Battle Dome transport.
Greetings, hero. Shut up! Thank you for choosing Fox Airways for your traveling needs. We do hope you have a pleasant flight. Sit back, relax, and enjoy our in-flight entertainment, courtesy of the Fox Network.
Oh my god.
Something you should know. I'm not a real Cheerio.
Will you lose your lunch if you have to watch one more reality dating show? Is your blog's gone wild video scratched
God.
from overuse? Then it's time to turn that dial to something a little more dangerous. Time for some real action. It's time to blow it up! That's
Hey.
right. It's time for Dread Zone, the galaxy's #1 uncensored, unethical, and completely underground combat sport. Blasting straight at you, live from the Battle Dome.
Those 2D pictures, though. That little tunnel right there.
Starlight and the Exterminators. They save the galaxy 3 times over. And how long can they survive in the zone? Catch it live, right here on Fox.
Oh, and that is it this man, ladies and gentlemen. That is the Eviscerator's 4th victim already this season. Next up, we have, let's see here, Ratchet? Yeah, I never heard of him. Well, he's probably just intermission material, folks, but don't worry. We have Grey Thunder and Hydro Girl coming up later, so stay tuned to Dread Zone. Well, here he is. He's a little guy, isn't he? Well, don't bother getting up for drinks, folks. This guy won't last 2 rounds.
We'll see.
Dread Zone fans, this is it.
The fudge?
Let's introduce our first contestant. He's a long black. He spent time in prison. He hates candy and children. Let's hear it for
scared.
Ratchet and Team Darkstar.
Mommy. 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 That was freaking scary. That was freaking...
I guess I didn't
That...
that part correctly. Go ahead and press the down directional button.
Okay, this is probably the worst game converted into HD ever. This is the worst game ever converted into HD. Oh my, look at... Yeah, my dual vipers are floating. And my my face turns into a retarded person. Well, I am scarred for life, thanks to freaking Dread Zone. Dread Zone. However, the gameplay is still great. The characters are still great. Oh, okay. Gameplay is great. The characters are great. The storyline is alright. And it's not the same as the other ones, but it's alright. Actually, I guess they were all kind of different. There's a Ratchet Clank 1. You're gonna try to stop someone from making a new planet by destroying other planets, and the second one, magma cannon. You're trying to, the second one, you're trying to find a protopet. The third one, you're trying to stop an invasion. Now in this one, we're trying to escape Dread Zone, so they kind of, it's not as cliche as some of the other video games. So the game does get really, some of the games are a little cliche. Actually, never mind. Some of the weapons are cliche, but like the game isn't that, the storyline isn't that cliche. I just like the word cliche, it sounds funny. Okay, we're nearing the end of this battle here, the first battle. Where do we go? Dual vipers! I'm tired.
Ratchet, my scanners show an extremely deadly 70mm stalker turret ahead of you. You need to get behind cover immediately. The shields on that turret are impenetrable.
EMP!
You will have to use an EMP to take them down. Command your bot to toss out an EMP by pressing the left directional button. Excellent work, Ratchet. Now that you have survived the qualification course,
Green metal.
you'll be allowed to join us back at our containment area.
We unlocked Catacrom 4, baby.
Let's keep this quick, Box. Oh, well, far be it from me to keep the superstar exterminator from his busy social schedule. I just have one question for you. Okay, shoot. Would you like to buy an Ace Hardlight video game? How about an Ace Hardlight lunchbox? Action figures, movie rights, collectible trading cards? Ace Hardlight is the perfectly manufactured celebrity, straight from the presses of the Gleeman Vox Media Empire. So tell me, why is it that I can't give this stuff away? Well, don't answer that. Let me take a wild guess. It's because my fans can't stand Ace Hardlight! He's a pompous with the charisma of blogging nut cheese! So, what are you saying, exactly? Zip it, Wonder Boy! The little Willies and Susies of the world are spending $1 trillion a day on worthless swag, and I'm completely cut out of the market! Either you start selling this junk, or I'll find someone who will! Now get out of my sight!
He's He's just jealous because H-Heartbite has swag.
Ratchet, you need to choose where you are going to compete next.
I'm gonna go to the Battle Dome station, actually. Maybe do one more challenge from the Battle Dome. The Battle Dome. The big sleep.
It's time to get
Oh crap, sleeping round. On that health? Yeah. That wasn't really a great idea, was it? Whatever. I'm gonna die. I'm totally gonna die. Oh, thank God. That's barely 3 rounds. This is going so slow.
Sometimes I think I could have taken that job on Annihilation Nation. They've got a great demo plan.
Alright, here we go. Here we go. It's pretty cool. In this game, multiplayer, there is a Jack skin from Jak and Daxter. And then, of course, in combat racing, there's a Ratchet skin. So, yeah, it's pretty cool. Alright, come on. Ankle biters. Alright, these are probably the best machine guns in the game, no lie. Alright, next challenge. Throw it at me, baby. Chris for the mill.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, let's make some noise. It's time to kill or be killed in the Annihilator round. Ratchet must survive a relentless attack from wave after wave of lethal enemies.
Just admire that freaking epic. This game had probably the best music out of all the Ratchet games. Alright.
Sometimes I think I could have taken that job on
Juanita.
Annihilation.
Oh. Dual Vipers V2.
Great demo plan.
Is the bullets blue yet? Nah. When you upgrade it, the bullets do turn blue, and it's pretty cool. Wait. Oh, I thought they bounced off the walls. Oh, it's these guys. Oh, crap. Epic challenges for the price of 1. 0. That is the prize. There we go. Another challenge complete, baby. That's it? Yeah, that's it. So we're gonna head down. Oh. This is our ship. So that's how we travel to other planets. In the next episode, we will head to Catacrom 4. And we'll just buy that now. And then we'll buy the acid mod. We'll get back. You can upgrade your wrench. I think I'm gonna upgrade it to the obsidian blade. Because that's the highest it can go. Or maybe not. Maybe not. Yeah, so we can give our bots paint jobs if I really want to. But I don't like this paint job. I think I'll give him a different one. But for now we just stay blue.
My favorite bit comic is a rare Captain Quark, where he meets his evil twin brother, Commander Quasar. Oh, the irony.
I don't care. So that is the end of the first episode, everyone. Hope everybody enjoyed. Next episode we will head to Catacrom 4. And my name's Ethan GV, and this is gonna be Ratchet playing Deadlocked.